Hey guys, Mike here again. What happens if your laptop just shuts off? What do you do? A dead laptop. It was working yesterday. Take the power cord off, take your battery out, turn it over, open your door on the bottom, take your RAM sticks out, put them back in, plug everything back in. If it still doesn't work, you may need a new power cord or your battery could be bad. But 90% of the time it will work once you take your RAM sticks out and clean off any dust and put them back in. Or put one stick in, try to start it. If it works, shut it off and put the second stick in. Those three things are usually the problem when your laptop won't start. RAM first, battery second, and power cord third. Make sure the power cord is lit up and it's not getting really hot. See you in the next video.